Hey, Assalamu alaikum. So it's Friday. I'm going to pray 12 kilometers away from the company. I can't do anything. Why don't you understand? Because the mosque is literally far away from the company. So we have no more chance to perform prayer. Therefore, we go to 12 kilometers away in order to perform prayer. And you know, it's very essential. You can't pray Juma at your house or in your room. You have to perform Juma in the mosque, especially. This is the month of February. It's 14 February, Valentine Day. Astaghfirullah. We don't celebrate Valentine Day. We celebrate festivals. Finally, I'm out from the company. Now I have to wait for auto rickshaw. I'll catch auto rickshaw from here. This is not particular auto stand. How many times I told you this? People already waiting here, as you can see. The auto rickshaw will come this side and we will go this side. Man, finally our auto rickshaw has arrived. Let's ask, will he go there or not? So I'm in the auto rickshaw, as you can see. Finally we are here. This auto rickshaw dropped me off nearby mosque. I'm sitting in the rear seat, but you know, this sucks. I'm out from the auto. This is so dangerous. There are lots of people inside auto rickshaw, but there is no limits of passengers. It was literally so bad experience in auto rickshaw this time. There was many passengers in auto rickshaw. Oh my god. This is beautiful mosque from inside of here. People has started to pray. Now I'm gonna pray. Okay, Friday prayer has been done. Now we are going back on our accommodation. And the weather is really fascinating today. I'm enjoying beautiful air. Wow. This uncle sitting beside me. I did not shoot vlog after Friday prayer, but right now I'm shooting my vlog. You know what I'm doing right now? You can see I'm gonna wash cauliflower and potato because we are gonna cook cauliflower and potato vegetable in the dinner. So let's wash it and make fresh vegetable, man, and enjoy that. By the way, my uncle has started to cook. You can see. I think he's great chef. Can you open the cap? Wow, wow, you can see the vegetable appearing really tasty. Wow, my mouth is watering. Wow, 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 wow. Woohoo! I want to tell you a secret about the vegetable. You know what is that? Beautiful fragrance. Yeah, what can I help you now? You said bring the water. Okay, I'm gonna bring the water. My uncle said go and bring some water. So let's take water from this bucket and provide to my uncle. Here you go. Now cover the bucket with this plate. We don't have buckets cap. Therefore we are using plate to cover the bucket. Now he's mixing spices, and spices gonna make vegetable more tastier. It's fully mixed right now. Okay, I ate my dinner. Now I'm walking. Actually, it's my habit to walk after dinner. So I'm just walking in the company because there is no park or garden in the company to walk. Therefore, I usually walk in the company. By the way, you know, some people are still working in the company. Man, in the company in the night. Have a look. Some people are working over there, but they are not visible in the camera because they are too far away from me. By the way, I can't zoom. Yeah, because my camera doesn't perform well in the night. That's why. So let's go and take rest because the time is 10:30 in the night. So I have to sleep now. I can't sleep late. I have to wake up early in the morning.
The next day.
Hello beautiful people, it's another new day. I'm going to the market right now in the morning. Yeah, I have to buy something and it's really urgent. I'm here in the market and I purchased material, as you can see in my hand. Now I'm going back to the company. I finished my work here in the market. I'll not do anything else here. Hey, I'm back again in the company. You can see I'm enjoying in this comfortable chair. Yes, this is very comfortable chair. By the way, you know who's the chair? I think this chair is of site engineer. Yeah, he sits on the chair, but today I'm sitting here on the chair. This is very comfortable, man. Very comfortable. I'm really enjoying. Woohoo! Now I'm gonna get to work. So see you in the next episode. Till then, okay, bye. Hey, wait. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. Okay, bye. Jazakallah.